Okay guys, so I promised to do another video. So this is my main area, 800 square feet. And I had swept that, and it took me almost 7 minutes with 3 huge piles of gunk. I have a living room over there. I have a dining room. I have a front room, so that the living room and all that. So here's what has basically transpired. I put the timer on for the second round, which was the Norwex mop, dry mop and wet mop, which now I realize I should have that for you. Now you're getting to see the whole house. So this is the dry mop, and it's yellow, so you know that it's the dry mop. And then the wet mop that I have rinsed and wrung and hung up right here. Slightly different texture, and it's blue. So to dry mop and wipe off gunk twice, and then to wet mop with everything, my whole main floor is about 1,200 square feet. It took me 12 minutes and 48 seconds. So almost 14 minutes to sweep all of this, and 12 minutes and 48 seconds to actually clean the whole thing with dry and wet mop. So Norwex is easier, faster, and cheaper.